Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain linear search and analysis of linear search. What is the worst case, best case and average case of linear search. So what is a linear search? Linear search means it's searching an element. Linear search is used for searching an element in the given list. So that is called as linear search. For example, if you are taking some elements like this, it is an array representation. So in this we are taking the elements 20, 15, 7, 45, 23. So our next 100. Taking the elements like this. In this I want to search an element. My key element is 23. So I want to search 23 element is in the given list or not. So using linear search you have to searching the element. So how can you search the element? Means this is the array elements. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 6 elements are there. So what is the algorithm for finding element in this? Means if key element. What is key element? Key element is 23. If key equal to A of I, because I value starting from for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, this is the loop. So if key equal to A of I, then find it is a, then printf, it is a successful search. Otherwise unsuccessful. Like this we can search it. This is the linear search algorithm. Just else, printf, unsuccessful search. Unsuccessful search. So this is a simple algorithm only. So take the elements, loop elements from I value 0 to I less than n and search each and every element with key. Compare the key element is in the first element or not. So for example, what is here? Loop I value is starting from 0. What is n here? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N equal to 0. So I value 0 to I less than 5 means 0 to 5. So what is the key element? Key element is 23. So first key element 23. 23 is equal to A of 0. So what is A of 0? A of 0 means 20. So 23 equal to 20. Is it true or not? Means it is false. So then we go for I plus plus. I plus plus means I value is 0. Now it is incremented to 1. A of 1. A of 1 means is coming to here. So what is A of 1? 50. And what is your key element? Key element is 23. 50 is equal to 23? No, this is also wrong. Then again I plus plus. I plus plus means I value is coming to second place. That is 7. So what is your key value? Key value is 23. What is A of 2? This is here A of 2. A of 2 is 7. 23 is equal to 7? No, here also condition is wrong. Then again we go for I plus plus. I plus plus means I value is now 2. Now it is coming to 3. I3 means coming to here. So what is key element is 23. A of 3. What is A of 3 value? Is 45. 23 is equals to 45? No, it is also wrong. So again go for I value I plus plus. I plus plus means I value is 4. That means coming to here. So here what is your key value? Key value is 23. A of 4. A of 4 means it is 23. So 23 is equals to 23. Yes. That means it is a successful search. So like this linear search algorithm works. So linear search is also known as sequential search. Sequential search means sequentially one after another each element is compared with its key element. Whenever both are same, then immediately we write successful search. Otherwise check it one after another till the last element. At the end of the element list also we are not getting the key element means it is called as unsuccessful search. This is the concept of linear search. Now I will go for analysis of linear search. Linear search means either we explain any analysis is explained with 3 cases. One is the best case, average case, then last one is worst case. In these three cases, we're just analyzing any algorithm. Best case, average case, and then worst case. What is the best case? Best case means it is search key present at the beginning of the list only. Best. If the search element is available in the beginning of the list, that means first element is your key element. Then within first iteration, the first time only we get the successful search. That is called as best case. Best case means in the beginning of the list only we get the successful search. Worst case. What is the worst case means? Worst case is searching a key at the last index. Last index means last element, that means search key is in the last element or totally not find in the list. Either it is a last index or not find, unsuccessful search, that is also called as worst case. So what is best case means the element is available in the first index only, that means 0th index, first place only we get that element. Worst case means the element is not at all present in the list, or if it is present, it is the last value, last index position in the given list. Average case. Average case means it is between best case and average case. Between best and worst case. That means it is available anywhere. Either not in the first position or not in the last position. It is available between anywhere in the list. That is called as average case. Average case finding is very difficult because we don't know when we get it. So now we'll go for best case of linear search. Best case of linear search. So what is the best case means the element is available in the first place only, first index only. So the best case time is constant. Best case time is known as constant. Constant is always represented with 1. So what is the best case name? It is represented with big O of n. So this is the best case time. If it is n elements are there, means best case of n elements is called as B of n. B of n is also represented with O of 1. So this is the best case of linear search. Then we go for worst case. Worst case. Which case is known as worst case? Means the element is not at all there in the list, or if it is there, it is available in the last index. So what is the worst case means? Either that means you have to check all the n elements because it is there in the last element in the list. So last element means we don't know how many elements are there. So that's we take it n elements. So worst case time. So what is worst case time means you have to check all the n elements. So that's why you write it worst case of n equal to big O of n. Because we have to check n elements. So worst case of n equal to big O of n. Best case of linear search is O of n, O of 1. Worst case of linear search is O of n. Okay. Now we go for average case. Average case is difficult to find out. So average case. So what is the average case time means? It is calculated like this. All possible case times divided by number of cases. Number of cases means how many elements are there in this. So this is the formula. All possible case times by number of cases. For example, we have average time. You have to find out now average time. For example, you have n elements are there. So if the element is available in the first place means only one iteration is required. So it's in the one element only have to find out. If it is the second place means we need 2 iterations. If the searching element is in the third place means we need 3 comparisons. Like this, if we have nth place the element is available means we require n iterations. So number of cases means how many elements are there? N. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, all n. All possible case times. If the element is available in the first place, 1 iteration is required. If the search key element is available in the second place means 2 iterations we require. Like this, all possible case times. So find out this. What is the formula? This one means n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the iterations by n. So this is the formula. Here n and subtract it. So this is the n plus 1 by 2. So what is the average time is known as a of n equal to n plus 1 by 2. So what is the average case of linear search? This is n plus 1 by 2. Worst case is O of big O of n and best case is big O of 1. So like asymptotic notations. So how you write asymptotic notations means best case. For best cases we can write constant time. So B of n equal to big O of 1. Similarly we can write omega of 1, or similarly it is possible to write theta of 1 also. This is the best cases. For worst cases, linear search worst cases is O of worst case of n is n. It is similar to, we can write it big O of n. Already I explained big O of n. It is also possible to write omega of n, and it is also possible to theta of n. So this is the analysis of linear search. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.